Stop selling your digital products on Etsy and Gumroad, especially if you're a beginner. They're crowded, competitive, and harder to make money on now than ever before. If you actually want to grow a digital product business this year, there are better places to sell. Here are 5 of them. Platform 1. LemonSqueezy is quickly becoming the go-to platform for creators who sell digital downloads, courses, templates, or software. It's built for people who want a clean, professional setup without spending weeks figuring out taxes and payment systems. LemonSqueezy is what's called a merchant of record. That means it collects and pays taxes, handles fraud prevention, and keeps everything legally compliant so you don't have to deal with the paperwork. It works perfectly with Stripe and PayPal, so buyers can pay with cards or wallets they already use. You can charge one-time fees, set up subscriptions, or even sell memberships. It also supports multiple currencies, which helps you reach customers worldwide. The best part is how professional it feels without needing to code anything. You can design your storefront, upload your products, and embed checkout links anywhere, on your website, in your newsletter, or directly from social media. The checkout page looks clean and trustworthy, which helps conversion rates. One thing to remember is that LemonSqueezy doesn't have a big built-in marketplace where people browse for new products, so it's not going to bring traffic to you automatically. You'll still need to promote your store. The upside is you own the relationship with your customers completely. You can collect their emails, build your brand, and run things on your terms. Platform 2. Payhip is perfect if you're just starting out or testing an idea. You can sell digital downloads, memberships, and even online courses, all from the same dashboard. What makes Payhip great is that it's free to start. There are no setup fees. On the free plan, you just pay a small percentage when you make a sale. If you start selling more and want to reduce the fee, you can upgrade to a paid plan. It's flexible, which is nice if you're not ready to commit to a monthly subscription yet. Setting it up is quick. You upload your file, write a short description, add your price, and your product page is ready to share. You can use your Payhip link on social media or your own site. It connects directly to PayPal or Stripe, so payouts are fast. The store designs are clean, but a bit limited in customization. It's not meant to be a full brand experience like Shopify or LemonSqueezy. Still, it's excellent for beginners or solo creators who just want to get their digital products live and start earning right away. Platform 3. Stan Store is designed for people who want to sell digital products straight from their social profiles. Think of it as your link in bio, but instead of just showing a few links, it's a full mini storefront. When someone clicks the link in your profile, they see all your offers in one place, and they can buy directly without leaving the app. It's ideal for creators who make videos about what they sell. Let's say you post a TikTok about your new Notion planner. You can tell viewers to check the link in your bio, and when they click, your Stan Store shows the product with a Buy Now button right there. No distractions, no confusion, just fast sales. Stan Store supports digital downloads, online courses, coaching sessions, and subscriptions. You can also connect your email list and automate follow-ups with customers. It's built to work with how creators actually sell online: short videos, instant clicks, fast conversions. The main limitation is that Stan Store doesn't bring customers to you. You bring them from your content. So if you're not active on social media yet, you'll need to build an audience first. But if you already have followers, this platform makes it easy to turn that attention into income. Platform 4. Creative Fabrica is focused on design-related digital products like fonts, graphics, templates, and craft packs. If you create design resources, this platform can bring traffic to you. You don't have to start from zero. It's full of customers who are already searching for things to buy, which gives you a big advantage if you're selling digital art or design tools. You can open a shop on Creative Fabrica for free, upload your assets, and earn every time someone buys or downloads your work. What's nice is that Creative Fabrica offers both single sales and subscription-based earnings. Some buyers pay monthly to access all designs on the platform, and every time they download your work, you earn a share of the revenue. That creates a steady income stream over time. Creative Fabrica is ideal if you create assets like font packs, clip art, icons, or printable templates. It's not the best fit if you sell courses or software, but for visual digital products, it's one of the strongest marketplaces out there. Platform 5. Koji is built for social media sellers. It's another link in bio platform, but it focuses on creating what they call micro sales funnels. In simple terms, it lets you sell small digital offers right inside your social profile, using mini apps that guide your followers through checkout in just a few taps. Koji is great for selling quick digital guides, templates, or mini courses that you want to promote through social content. It's fast, simple, and works directly on mobile, which is where most people are buying now anyway. It also integrates with PayPal, so payouts are simple and direct. The analytics dashboard helps you track sales and engagement so you can see what's working. The downsides are that it's not built for big product catalogs, and the fee structure can vary, so it's smart to check their current terms before diving in. But for creators who move fast and want to earn directly from their social audience, it's a clever and lightweight solution. Which platforms should you use? Now that we've covered all 5 platforms, let's look at how they compare and how you can use them together for the best results. LemonSqueezy and Payhip are the strongest all-around platforms for running your main storefront. They're stable, flexible, and good for scaling. LemonSqueezy gives you full control with built-in compliance and tax handling, while Payhip is great for quick launches and testing. StanStore and Koji are built for creators who sell through social media. They don't bring traffic for you, but they make the buying process easy for people who already follow you. They're fast, mobile-friendly, and perfect for turning engagement into income. Creative Fabrica is your discovery engine if you sell design-based digital products. It brings in buyers who are already looking for what you create, and it can provide a reliable stream of sales once your shop grows. The smartest strategy is to start small, then layer platforms as your business grows. You can start with Payhip to get your first sales. It's free and easy, so you can test your idea fast. Once your product is selling well, move it to LemonSqueezy to build a stronger branded store that can handle bigger volume and recurring billing. If your product is design-related, upload it to Creative Fabrica too. That gives you exposure to a new audience that's already shopping for similar products. Then, use StanStore as your main link in bio, especially if you're promoting on TikTok or Instagram. It keeps all your digital products in one place and makes buying simple for your followers. Finally, use Koji for smaller offers, the quick, bite-sized products that go with your social content. That could be a short guide, a mini template, or a bonus resource. It's a great way to catch impulse buyers and turn engagement into cash. You don't need to manage all of these platforms at once. You can build one layer at a time, test what works, and scale gradually. Which of these platforms have you tried before, or will you try next? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.